Yeah, these are called funny sounds. Funny sounds. Okay, so look at this. This is cheap and sheep. Yeah, so I can make a sentence from this, right? The sheep is cheap. Yeah, the sheep, this is the sheep. The sheep is cheap. The sheep is cheap. Is cheap. The sheep is cheap. Yeah, the sheep is cheap. The sheep, hear the difference? The sheep is cheap. The sheep is cheap. Okay. Uh, oh, here's a good one. This is chew, 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 and this is a shoe, shoe. So don't chew your shoe. Don't chew your shoe. No, don't chew your shoe. Don't chew your shoe. Chew your shoe. Don't chew your shoe. Now that man's eating his shoe, so when he eats it, he has to chew it. Chew it. Don't chew your shoe. Okay. Ah, chop at the shop. Okay, so chop is like chopping carrots. Chop, 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 chop. Yeah. So it says don't chop at the shop. A shop is like a tienda, is like a store. Don't chop at a market. Yeah, don't chop at the shop. Don't chop at the shop. Chop at the shop. Yeah, chop and shop. And this one, oh, this is a good one. Here's a chip. Here's a chip. It says a chip is not a ship. A chip is not a ship. No, a chip is not a ship. It's not. A chip is not a ship. Yeah, it's not a ship. A ship is a boat, right? A boat. So a chip is not a ship. It's not. I love how this seagull has on a little sailor cap. I think that's so cute. Okay, a chip is not a ship. A chip is not a ship. All right. Oh, this word is wet, and this is vet. So this vet is veterinarian. Yeah. So it says the wet vet. Yeah, the vet is wet. The vet is wet. Excuse me. The vet is wet. Yeah, the vet is wet. Okay. Oh, this is so. Yeah, this is wine, and this is a vine. This plant is a vine. A vine grows out, yeah, like called a vine. So this is wine on a vine. Wine on a vine. These are good tongue twisters. Wine on a vine. Wine on a vine. Wine on a vine. That's great. Wine on a vine. Ah, so this is ice, and this is eyes. So, yeah, ice, eyes, ice, eyes, ice, eyes. Yeah, ice, eyes, ice, eyes, ice, eyes. How about next time we put a glass, a vidrio, a glass like this, a glass, and we put eyes in the glass. We'll put eyes in the glass. Let's not do that. Okay. Ah, here we go. The bus, here's the bus, can buzz. The bus can buzz. The bus can buzz. The bus can buzz. A chance to say both words together. The bus can buzz. Ah, here's a good one. A cop in a cup. In a cup. Yeah, a cop in a cup. That's a cop in a cup. A cop in a cup. A cop in a cup. That's a good one. I like that one a lot. A cop in a cup. A cop in a cup. And here is a nut in a knot. A nut is in a knot. It's tied up into a knot. A nut. This is a knot, and this is a nut. So a nut in a knot. In a knot. A nut in a knot. Yeah, these are good. I like these a lot. A nut in a knot. Okay. Oh, and there are all these words that we did together. There they are. Cheap and sheep, chop and shop. Remember that? Cheap sheep, chop shop, wet vet. Oh my goodness. Ice, eyes, cup, cop, chew, shoe, chip, ship, wine, vine, bus, buzz, knot, nut. Yeah, we said all those words together and we had funny pictures for each one of them. That was great.